How to archive an Amazon order on mobile. Well, to archive an Amazon order on your phone, you must use a mobile browser, not the app, and you want to request a desktop site. So as you can see, I'm here on Safari and I have here Amazon.com. What you want to do is you want to tap on the three dots here. You want to tap on this little icon here, and then you want to tap on three dots, and then you want to request desktop website once you're logged in. So on Amazon.com. Now what you want to do is you want to head into your orders section. You want to head into menu here at the top, and then you want to head into accounts and list, and under it you want to head into your orders option. Now I don't have any orders made here, but once under your orders, what you want to do is you want to find the order and click on archive and confirm it. So it's simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.